It's Luke here with Digital Trends, and we're at CES 2019 checking out a brand new, really crazy monitor here. And this is the HP Omen X Emperium 65, a collaboration between Nvidia and HP to bring a gamer's PC monitor to the living room. And that's really what this is. As you can tell, it's not your standard computer monitor, does not belong on your desk in any way. It's 65 inches. And so it's basically a PC gamer's TV. So let's get into some of the details as to why this thing is made specifically for gamers, and we'll get to the price at the end. So this is the very first monitor in the Nvidia BFGD, or Big Format Gaming Display series. It's the very first one we've seen. There's a couple others and they're all in this 65-inch format. We might see more in the future that aren't, but for now, this is what we're getting. It's got all the features that gamers are gonna want in a PC gaming living room situation. It's 4K, it's 120 Hertz refresh rate, can be overclocked to 144. And of course, it's also G-Sync compatible. Not only is it G-Sync, it's one of the first monitors in Nvidia's latest G-Sync Ultimate program. And this basically means that this is what Nvidia thinks is the ultimate gaming monitor, and it meets all the certifications that come with that. So not only do you get HDR and that super low latency, those things that you're gonna want for your gaming, it also comes with Nvidia Shield built into the display, meaning you can pull out of gaming, you can do things like watch Netflix or any of the other things you want to do with a TV outside of actual TV stuff. You can do with this. So you can actually put this in your living room and use it as your one display or TV for the entire room. So how much is this thing going to cost? I mentioned it at the beginning. Obviously, displays with this amount of technology and this amount of just a new thing on the market, it's going to be expensive. This one is $5,000. That's going to put it beyond the range of most people, right? Obviously, that's a lot more than even a high-end television these days. So we're hoping that the price comes down on these in the future. But as for now, it's a really exciting and cool concept to take a look at that I think is going to be possibly the future of PC gaming in the living room.